Good morning to all. I am Dr. V. Bharati Devi, Department of Physics, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. Today we are going to learn the experiment of Newton's rings refractive index of the liquid. Aim to find the refractive index of the given liquid. Apparatus required convex lens and plain glass plate, monochromatic source of light, and then traveling microscope. Here, the convex lens is placed on the surface of the plain glass plate. So, there is a air in between the plain glass plate and convex lens is known as the air flame. The scales are provided in the traveling microscope to measure the reading. Now, here you see here, the above scale is known as the vernier scale and then below scale is known as the main scale. The zeroth coincidence for the below scale is known as the main scale reading. Then vernier scale coincidence is performed by the lines from the main scale and the vernier scale is coincidence is known as the vernier scale coincidence. Here I chosen the select medium for water and the light source is neon. Now light on, the concentric rings are seen in the traveling microscope. Procedure to find the refractive index of the liquid, the experiment is performed by when there is a air film in between the convex lens and then optically plain glass plate. The diameter of the mth and then m plus mth dark rings are determined with the help of the traveling microscope. From this experimental arrangement, the lens with a glass plate pour 1 or 2 drops of liquid. The liquid is taken here for water, whose refractive index to be determined without the disturbing the arrangement. Now the air film between the lens and the glass plate is replaced by a water. The diameter of the m plus pth and then mth dark rings are determined. After the experimental arrangement, the glass plate is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal. 1 or 2 drops of given liquid, that is a water, is placed in between the glass plate and the lens. This glass plate reflected light from the source vertically downward and falls normally on the convex lens. Newton's rings are seen using a long focus microscope. Now procedure, click the light button. Select the lens of the desirable radius. Here the radius of the lens is selected for 60 centimeter. Adjust the microscope position to view the Newton's rings. Focus a microscope. View the rings clearly. Fix a crosswire on the 20th rings. Enter from the right or left of the center dark rings and take the reading. Now the 28th dark rings coincidence in the center of the crosswire. That is in the right side. Move the crosswire and take the readings of 18th, 16th up to second ring. We have to take the readings of the ring on the either side of the center dark ring. Enter the readings in the tabular column and calculate the refractive index of the medium by using the given formula. Now we show the result. The refractive index of the given liquid, that is the water, is the wavelength of the water is 6100 angstrom. Thank you.